coach and personal trainer. Now we have reached the 7th and final video of the webinars week. Today's topic is purification. Up to now we have gone through 6 steps of your better life's quality. We have clearly mapped your goal, where you want to reach. We have built the strategy for that. We have found several tools of how to find self-motivation. And also we have found an effective tool for self-control. But now, to start freshly your new chapter in life, let's make a clean start for that. Purification. At first clean up your home, but more deeply than usually. Go to the deepest corners. See what's going on in your wardrobe. Maybe there are some clothes you haven't worn since God knows when. Give them away. Get rid of stuff you don't need, you don't actually use. See what's going on in your kitchen drawers. Maybe there are some foods which dates have expired. So total and deep cleanup. Now take a look at yourself. How are things with your eating habits? Maybe there is something that you can improve, so add them to your daily questions, etc. Are you drinking enough of water? How are things with your physical workout routine? Maybe also there are some habits that you can start to improve. Now, how are things with your thoughts? And how do you communicate with yourself? Because this is the basic of everything. How do you act with others? How do you express yourself? And how do you feel is all starting from how do you communicate with yourself? How is your attitude towards yourself? So maybe also some things that you can improve. And finally, look around and who are the people who you surround yourself with? Are those the people who support you and take you closer to your dream? Or is there somebody who is sabotaging your goal? Think about it and surround yourself with the right people. Now you have received from me 7 pieces of a puzzle for your better life's quality. My mission is to help others. And what motivates me is to see that my studies and my experiences bring results and help others. Because I know what is it to feel that your life has no points. When you're in your deepest depression and feels like nobody's reaching your helpful hand to you. But I would be really honored to now share my knowledge and my experiences and be the reaching hand for you. And also it would be really lovely to get the feedback from you for those webinars. So you can find my contacts down below. Please feel free to contact me. And if there are anything else what I can help you with, feel free to write me. Until then, take care and enjoy your new chapter in life. See you.